Hello YouTube. In the shop today we have a 2004 Volvo XC70 in for an oil change and air filter. Alright, XC70 Volvo air filter change. Simple enough. Take off the mass air fuel sensor clip. You probably don't need to, but it's when you take this off it does kind of pull on it a bit, so easy enough just to squeeze it, pop it out, and then clip here, clip here, clip here, clip it, pull the old air filter out. Ooh, wow. Oh yeah. Okay, definitely needed it. Just compare the new one. What do we have here? CA9073. Beauty. Same one. So what we'll do is we're gonna vacuum that out because that is gnarly. Alright, there we go. We'll just put the new one, drop the new filter into place, make sure it's all seated properly. The back clip is got an angle to it, so the best way to do it is to push it in and slide it back at the same time pushing those two clips in. So we push it in, there we go, clipped in. We tighten our 3 front clamps, and then we bring our mass airflow sensor back. Wait till it clicks. That's the reason I take that off, because you have to push the whole assembly towards the passenger side of the car and then kind of rotate it in to get those 3 clips in the back seated. It's best not to have the mass airflow sensor electrical connection attached. So there you go. If you like that video, please like, share, and subscribe, and we will see you next time on Sauceman's Garage.